like it's honey. It's yummy honey. On the road, they said, see? On any water, no water, sugar, that's not, no water.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been long, I've not been posting videos, but I'm back. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel, and for the returning subscribers, I'm really thankful for always coming back. So when I was away, I was working on something nice. This is my product. It's a Nilotica shea butter. It's natural, very pure, 100% pure. I also have a channel, a YouTube channel for this product. My product, the natural products, it's called Gold-ES Organic, and also you can find me on Facebook on the same handle, and on Instagram at Gold-ES_organic. On this video today, I want to show you how I made this amazing body and face scrub. You can do this at home, it's a DIY. You'll only need maize flour, granulated sugar, the shea butter, and finally pure honey. If you'd like to try this, please let me know how it went after you made it and used it on the comment section.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen.